Welcome to Doctor's Day Out. Today we are going to do a review session, especially in English. This is the first video on English, especially about my new MacBook Pro, which is here, which is with M1 processor. I have been using a lot of MacBooks, all starting with Snow Leopard to now Mojave, and all these laptops has helped me to improve my skills and also helped me not to have crashes all the time. The good thing about MacBook is, although the numbers may not be great, but the product is very great. Whether it is design, whether it is the style, whether if you carry around the places to have a MacBook, especially when I had the white MacBook, it was all a very eye-catchy thing because I used to carry it around and I used to work with it. Especially in my trips, whenever I used to travel on flight and things like that, to carry that white MacBook, which was having Snow Leopard, which was a very old machine. From 2010 all this way, I had the Macs along with me. Now I have a 2016 MacBook, which is a 16-inch. So this time I have taken a 13-inch MacBook Pro, and it has come with a full seal pack. Now I'd like to open it and have a unboxing video right for you. So let us open this and have a look at how it looks and how it performs. Will be done in another video soon after I start using it. But one thing I'll tell you, the reviews on the internet are raving, and it's been wonderful on the performance side with the new M1 Silicon by the Apple. So let us hope that my MacBook Pro also performs according to my wishes in this thing. It's been wonderful to see the video rendering, since I have a lot of video channels which is there. So I hope that this also will work really well with me. Thank you. So let us dive rightly into how we can unbox this. Thank you. So this is my first space gray MacBook after having a white MacBook, which is just a MacBook. This is a MacBook Pro, and then I had a silver one. Now it is a space gray. This looks really nice, but only thing is that it is not having a backlit Apple emblem, but it is silver, so I can see my face on it. But I heard that the silver one has even much more mirror like one, but this is having a space gray style mirror. Anyway, this is the MacBook, and it looks very clean and neat. So we'll have a look at, before we look into this one, we'll have empty the contents of this one. So the best thing is you have a C to C cable that is given in that one. Then we have the Apple logo and the MacBooks, so all the papers and the booklets which is there. So they say to read it, but most of the time we don't read it, but I like this one very much because I can put it somewhere, and it is also space gray. Now the other one is the brick, the chargeable adapter brick. So the only thing I don't like about it is actually the brick is actually like this. So I need to change it for use in India, so I will change it and put my old MacBook's cable, because that has a length to it. This doesn't have enough length. This is only 1.5 meters. So if I need to put it and plug it and then use it on my desk, it is much better to use that adapter cable also along with this. So this is all there. It's beautifully packed, and it has nothing, so it's also very light. So now I'll put back. So this is all about the contents of our MacBook packet. About this MacBook, this space gray MacBook I have, I'll talk about the review in detail after using it. This is the M1 processor, and but I have not used it. So as expected from all Apple products, it will have a good performance, I hope, and all my video rendering and my Photoshop experiments will be really done well. I have never had any crashes in MacBook, so I expect our Apple Silicon also to perform really well with the new MacBook Pro I have. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching DDO. So please send some things like this so that I can do the review. So if you have something for the review for your company also, you can send it across. I'll do a totally free of cost review for you. So so please send all the materials down here. If you want to hear more about it and things like that, please subscribe and send all the details to this. This is a bought from abroad and it has been given to me. Thank you very much, and please continue watching Doctor's Day Out. Please send me all those things so that I can do the review. Bye bye. I'm Dr. Thomas.